Hi guys, samahan niyo akong bumili ng skincare guys. Bili tayo dito sa Aeon Wellness ng mga kailangan ko na skincare. Tara guys, pasok tayo guys. Yan, kailangan ko ng deodorant. Deodorant guys. Oh. And guys, samahan niyo akong pumili. What's the difference? Same Sakura plus vitamin B3. Hyaluron plus Sakura. Oh, this is for the night. This is for the day. At saka ng pakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung skincare na ginagamit ko dito sa Malaysia. Ito yung skincare na ginagamit ko dito sa Malaysia guys. At saka to. Guys, ito yung trolley nila. So cute. Thank you for taking this trolley. Oh, you hold it. You are the carry boy. Carrying boy. Ito pala guys, yung ginagamit kong facial wash. Sakura Glow facial wash. What do you want? Lipstick daw, lipstick. Which one you want?
Not lipstick.
Ha? Lip gloss ah. What lip gloss do you want? What is that lip gloss?
Rose pink. Clear to rose pink.
Clear to rose pink. You want that one na? They have different kind of colors.
Oh, I see it. I like it.
Oh, this one is rose pink. This one is
Crystal pink.
crystal pink.
This strawberry is brown.
Magic color. Oh, they have also flavor ah. Oh, you want that? Oh, naglilipstick na guys ha. Primary 4 pa lang yan.
This is not
Oh.
like a lipstick.
Okay.
It's like a, for my lips.
It's okay. Tingin tayo ng mga cosmetic products nila guys. Mga makeup. Dito. Yan. Mga cosmetic products. Oh, they have like this on nail polish.
What is that? Oh, I love
2 in 1.
I love purple.
And with glitters.
I want to see the clear one. Clear. I mean,
Clear.
Okay.
Bili tayo ng mascara guys. Yan. Hello guys, bili tayo ng foundation. Where is it?
Here. Round here.
Okay, foundation 01 Ivory foundation guys. Bili tayo nito. Which one you want? This one Kotex guys is a 90 seconds dry time and kids friendly, odorless, air dry. Yan, peel off to remove. Pwede siyang ganyan lang i-remove guys. At itong anak ng babae, bibili daw siya. You're going to buy Which one do you want? You choose wisely the color.
I like pink and purple.
Yeah? You like pink and purple.
I like purple. Purple
Which
is
one?
my favorite color, this.
Purple is your favorite color. Okay, let's go to pay and up.
This want to buy paper bag because we don't have plastic.
Oh, I have paper bag.
Need
This one,
waterproof. What color?
have discount na, discount.
I check for you. Okay. This one 19.99.
Oh, okay.
Boleh ka?
Okay
na.
Mga anak ko, ang kukulit ang gugulo. Oh, hindi ko alam kung pinaggagawa nila. Ay, Diyos ko po. Ay, Diyos ko po. Mga magulo. Magulo, kids. Magulo. Oh, yan. Sige. Sige. Like this, make Ayan guys, ganyan nila ginagawa pala ang tinapay sa Auntie Anne's. Nandito kami sa Auntie Anne's, guys. Ayan. Favorite na mga anak ko, Auntie Anne's. How to make? The one what? Oh, the sauces Oh. Yung anak ko, tinitignan talaga, gusto atang gumawa ng tinapay, guys. You want to make bread? Huh? You can make in the house. Same like that. Gabay yung anak ko. Bumili ng tubig. Yun. Tubig ko tata. Yan guys. Busog na naman ang bata. May Auntie Anne's. What did you buy?
Jumbo.
Show them.
Jumbo cheese sausage.
Okay. Let's go. Yan lang guys. Bye-bye guys.
Ayan guys, nasa bahay na kami. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga nabili namin sa Aeon Wellness. Pang skincare, makeup, or kung anong anik-anik sa katawan. Unang-una guys, ayan, deodorant para sa mabahong kilikili. Joke guys. Ito naman guys, sa eyelash. Ito naman guys, eyeliner liquid. Ito guys, pang facial wash ko. Ito para sa anak ko yan. Ito para sa anak ko. Magic Color Rose Pink sa lips. Saka itong Jotex niya. Jotex. At ito guys, matte foundation serum para sa mukha ko. Toner. Itong Garnier. Ito for day. Ito for day siya. Ginagamit siya for day. Sa mukha ko yan. Ito para sa night. Yan. Sa mukha ko yan bago matulog. Ito. At pagkagising ito guys. Facial wash muna guys. Toner, and then itong cream. Yan ang pang skincare ko everyday guys. Saka guys, sobra bait nung cashier. Dahil daw, marami daw akong binili, binigyan ako ng free gift treat. 3 free gift. What is this gift?
This is a towel, but they make it into a bear shape.
Oh, towel pala guys. Naka-bear shape siya.
Look, you can cut here something.
Oh, it's a towel siya. Naka-design lang siyang bird. Tapos may lagayan siyang ganito. Tapos guys, ayan. This one po.
The head.
The head. Cover the head.
Like you want to tie.
Oh, ganyan siya. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang bait ng teller. Binigyan ako ng 3 libre. Free gift.
Bye-bye.
It's not like that. It's like that. Pang ganun siya siguro, guys. Ayan, ganyan, guys. Pagka maghuhugas ka or kupya. Oh, para siyang kupya. Guys, oh. Ayan. Libre yan, guys. Para siyang kupya. Oh. Ang ganda, guys. Oh, di ba? Tapos, guys, itong last pa nilang libre binigay sa akin ay hindi ko pa siya nakikita, guys. Tignan ko muna siya, guys. Tan tananan, tanan tan tan tan. Ano tong libre nito? Binigay din niya sa akin libre ito, guys. Oh, ganda guys. Oh, bowl siya. Lagayan siya ng food. Guys, libre din to. Ito yung nakuha kong libre sa mga binili kong skincare na ginagamit namin sa aming face skincare, ganyan. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.